Part 4, let's check it out. We have albumin, just to show a protein. If you look at the albumin, you will notice that it is, a milky whitish color. It's a little cloudy, but that's just what albumin looks like. To this, we're gonna add some methyl red. Now remember, methyl red is an indicator that we checked out in the acids and bases lab. If we look at its pH, right, so it changes between pH 4.8 and 6. Below 4.8, it will be an acid. When it's an acid, it will be red. When it's above 4.8, it will be an orangish color. And then it will be completely yellow when it is above pH 6. But we're gonna go down. We're gonna go to an acidic solution. So first what we're gonna do is add a few drops of our methyl red. You could see that it has a really nice red color. So we're gonna add a little bit of methyl red into our egg albumin. Think about what I just said earlier about the pH values. It is a yellowish color right now. So what we're gonna do is we are going to add acetic acid, which is just vinegar, and we're gonna see if we could get this to a lower pH. Remember, if it's an acid, it will go to a lower pH. Let's see if that changes it. We're now at this pinkish reddish color. This is indicating that we have an acidic solution. Remember, indicators give you a nice range of pH values, but they don't give you the exact pH. You would use a pH meter or pH strips in order to do that. We're gonna take a little bit of this albumin and methyl red solution, and we're gonna place it on a watch glass. We have put the watch glass on a white piece of paper, just so that you can see any reaction or anything happening on the watch glass. Now what we're gonna add some saturated ammonium sulfate. All right, so here we have saturated ammonium sulfate. We're gonna add this to our solution, and we're gonna wait until we see the solution appear cloudy. And I'll count the drops. We're at 10. 20. 30. And you could see, although there's bubbling, you could kind of see that the solution is a bit cloudy. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some distilled water, and we'll ask ourselves, does the protein go back into solution? Now, it will dilute the color a little bit, but maybe you'll notice it has got a little less cloudy. So remember, make sure you have how many drops were required, right, when we looked at our ammonium sulfate, and then note it after the distilled water. Does the protein go back into solution? Read about the isoelectric point. That's part 4. We'll see you in 5.